Hello, my name is Claudia. I live in Cajica, 45 minutes from Bogota on the North Highway. In this beautiful city called Cajica, my favorite place to visit are Peryland Eco Park. Cajica, it's a place you can go hiking, camping, and make barbecues. And San Roque, Distrito Capital, next to Manuela Beltrán University. It's a place where you can make co-working or enjoy an art exhibition. They have the best seafood restaurant, Cóctel del Mar. I love it. I recommend the coconut butter prawns. And finally, you can visit Fontana Shopping Center, where you can find international brands like Adidas or Nike. Restaurants like Wok, I love sushi, crepes and waffles, and if you love movies, there is Cinepolis. Okay, that's it. Have a good afternoon.